All right, what's up everybody? Got another video today. Gonna do a few. So just got the car back from my friend Mark, who I'm gonna post a link to his page where you can buy these stainless steel screw kits for different Traxxas models. But he's replaced everything in here with stainless steel screws. The only ones that were not replaced were to the servo, and there was one other one, I forgot what he told me. But everything's been put in with Loctite. There's metal on metal. These screws have all been backing out on their own. So there's just a couple other ones I have to do. So overall, I love the screw kit. It looks great. Over time, I'll tell how the screws hold up. They should hold up pretty well though. I mean, obviously they're going to be better than the steel ones that were in there, the regular steel. So it has a pretty sick look all the way through. I like it. So I'm going to leave a link to his page again, so that you can go on there and buy some for yourself. Help him out. He's just getting started with them, and he's got a whole bunch of other things going on as well. Other than that, I'm going to do a different video or something else. Check it out. See ya.